Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video again and again. Many of students are telling that videos are very difficult to understand, but once we understand, this is the same we are going to work in real time. So your video helped a lot to crack the interview as well as it also helped a lot to work on the project confidently. Okay, even I am also agreeing with this point. Videos are little difficult because they are real time. Okay, so watch the video again and again. If you really don't know the video, if you really are not able to understand the video, it means that you really still don't know the SAP, because whatever you know is very basic. So try to watch all the video to know the advanced concept in SAP. Now coming back to today topic is about profitability analysis. Okay, so in this profitability analysis is very famous by name called Copa. Okay, Copa. In this Copa, it has two part. One is CO and another is PA. So sorry, PA got hidden. Let me. Okay, so here CO means controlling. Okay, and PA means profitability analysis. So CO means controlling, PA means profitability analysis. Now what is the use of the profitability analysis? Why do you need to implement the Copa submodule from the controlling, or let's say profitability analysis module or submodule, why it is required? Let me tell you one example, or let me show you one example. So you know that we have two module. One is known as a finance module and another we have controlling module. Okay. So finance module will give you the profit and loss statement, and it will also give the balance sheet. So let's say in finance module your profit and loss statement says that this is the profit, 100,000 is your profit amount. But if you want to analyze this profit from different dimension, or we say from different characteristics, okay, so if that is your requirement, then you have to implement the Copa. So Copa will help you to analyze the profit from different angle. What is that angle? Let's say here you want to analyze this profit by customer. You want to analyze this 1 lakh profit by customer. You want to know customer wise what is the profit you are earning, so you can focus on top customers who are contributing more profits. You can analyze by product wise. Okay, you can analyze by the product wise. If you have more products, so you can understand which product is contributing more profit. You can analyze region wise, I mean you can analyze by any characteristics. Okay, how will you decide these characteristics? That you have to discuss with the business. You have to ask them at what level, by what characteristics you want to analyze your profit. Either you want by customer wise, you want by product wise, region wise, brand wise. Okay, what wise you want to analyze? Sales office wise you want to know, let's say which sales office are giving more profit. So you can analyze your profit by multiple dimensions, and this analysis is only possible if you have implemented the Copa or profitability analysis sub module in the controlling module. So this is the reason you need to implement the profitability analysis. Okay. Now, now let us understand these are the characteristics. Okay. These are the characteristics, or this is known as the dimensions. Our very famous is what is characteristics. Now let us understand more about the characteristics. So first point characteristics. Characteristics and characteristics value. Okay. So what is called characteristics and what is called characteristics value? Okay. So here characteristics means these are the dimension. So they are known as a characteristics. Customer, product, region, brand, sales office. These are your characteristics. Okay. Then what is called characteristics value? The characteristics, let's say customer. So here you have, let's say, a Patanjali customer, Patanjali. You have, let's say, Apple, you have customer, you have PayPal as a customer. So these are known as a characteristics value. Okay. So customer is your characteristics, and these customers are known as your characteristics value. Similarly, you have product. Product is your characteristics, but product, let's say you have laptop, you have mobile, you have TV, you have any service, spare parts. So these are your characteristics value. Okay. Region is your characteristics, and region, let's say APAC region. Okay. Then let's say uh, American region, in fact North American region. Okay. North American region, South Africa region. Then these are your characteristics value. Okay. Now once you understand what is called characteristics and characteristics value, let us understand the what are the characteristics are given in SAP. Okay. So let me put here ECC and S4HANA, because there is little different in the characteristics between ECC and S4HANA. So now characteristics are divided majorly into two. One is known as a fixed characteristics. Fixed characteristics. Okay. So fixed characteristics are given by the SAP. Okay. They are given by the SAP, and fixed characteristics are not required to assign to the operating concern. They are automatically assigned to the operating concern. Okay. By default, they will be assigned to the operating concern, and they are given by the SAP. They are given by the SAP. Okay. So in ECC, this fixed characteristics were given only 19. Okay. But now in S4HANA, the fixed characteristics are given by SAP is 29. Okay. I will talk about which are the fixed characteristics given by SAP when I go in the SAP. Now other than fixed characteristics, you have another category called non-fixed. Non-fixed character. Okay. So you have non-fixed characteristics. Okay. You have non-fixed character char, character characteristics. Very difficult for me. Difficult for us. We are from not English background. Okay. So here non-fixed characteristics in ECC you have only 69 you could use, but in S4 HANA you have sorry, it was 50, sorry, it was 50, but in S4 HANA you have 60. So in S4 HANA non-fixed characteristics you can add 60. So but in ECC it was only 50. So in ECC total, let me write here, total characteristics you could, so 50 plus 19 is equal to 69, but here in S4 HANA up to 89. Okay, up to 89 you can add. Fine. Now since fixed are given by SAP, we will be seeing them in the SAP directly. Now let us talk further about this one, non-fixed characteristics. So now non-fixed characteristics can be created by a two way. One, with reference to table, with reference to SAP table or SAP standard table. Okay. Another one without reference to SAP standard table. Let me write here. Okay. So without reference to SAP standard table and with reference to SAP standard table. In that, first I am going to discuss about this one. Okay. So if you want to create any non-fixed characteristics but that it with SAP standard table, then there are certain tables you can use while creating. Okay. So if you want to add any, if you want to analyze your profit based on any customer field, okay, so you can use customer customer related table. Okay, that is KNA1, KNB1 and KNBB. So these are the three table you can use to add any non-fixed characteristics related to customer master. Okay. Then another, material master. Okay, material master, you can use Mara. Any field given in the Mara table you can use as a non-fixed characteristics. Okay, then you can use mark table also. Okay, so these are there are other many tables you can use while creating non-fixed characteristics. So with reference to standard table you can add the characteristics. Now if you don't want to use the table, if you want to create your own characteristics, then first point is that The characteristics must start from WW. Okay, first two digit should be the WW code. Okay, followed by any other character. So maximum should be the maximum should be the 5. Sorry, give here and give here. So when you are creating without using that standard table, then length should be maximum 5 digits. Okay, 5 alphanumeric digit. Let me write alphanumeric digits. Okay, but when you are creating any characteristics, then that should start from WW. Okay, if you are creating any non-fixed characteristics without using the standard table. Okay, so these are the some information you need to know about the characteristics. Let me repeat it. We started from here, Copa. Okay, we understood why do we need the Copa. We understand the characteristics and characteristics value. What characteristics they need, it totally depends on business. At what level, by what dimension business wants to analyze the profit. Okay, those characteristics you can use. Now characteristics are divided based on fixed characteristics and non-fixed characteristics. There is little difference between ECC and S4HANA. In ECC, fixed was 19 and S4HANA fixed was 29. Non-fixed in ECC 50 and in S4HANA 60. So this is the total count. Now to add the non-fixed characteristics, there are two ways. One is with reference to standard table, another without reference to standard table. Okay, so this is how we understand. Now once you understand the theory, in next step we'll be creating them practically. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot.